5 different elements that I've broken it down to. And so one of the first elements is to turn on your parasympathetic nervous system more often. So what this means is our nervous system that is constantly sending and receiving signals from the body to the brain on what to do, how to respond, how to react. In people with chronic conditions, this system is stuck in the stress response, which keeps the body in pain and keeps the body in suffering. And so when we can turn off the stress response through using yoga tools and techniques that are gentle, safe, comfortable, we can befriend our body again and send the messages to our body that you are safe, that it is okay, and that you can let go. In a lot of us who are struggling with these pain symptoms, especially chronically, because we're stuck in that stress response, our body almost doesn't trust to let go. It doesn't trust to soften. It doesn't trust to find ease. And so we have to retrain it. The second element that we need to address is each layer of our being. So not just our physical layer. We are much more than just the physical. And you learn all about this in the Yoga Therapy to Heal Freedom Formula program. You find tools and techniques to discover what else we are and what other ways we can address the different layers of our being. Another element, the third element I would say, is that we need some sort of system so that we show up for ourselves. A lot of us don't have that initial motivation to show up for ourselves. And that's why I'm here as your coach, is to connect with you, to offer you weekly coaching, to offer you check-ins and make sure that you're staying on track. And if there's anything getting in your way, we can work through that together. The fourth thing I would say is practice, right? So this is a new way of living. It's a new way of addressing your life. And it does take a commitment. It doesn't have to be hours a day. It can simply be a 5-minute break a couple times a day to use one of your tools, turning on that parasympathetic system and remapping the brain, remapping the body, so that you start going in a direction that the body can heal, rather than staying in that map of suffering, that pain rabbit hole. And the fifth thing that I truly believe is absolutely paramount in overcoming your suffering is a teacher and some way of educating yourself what it means to have chronic conditions or chronic illness in the body. Sometimes we kind of go down the wrong road. And so when we tap into our intuition through the yoga practice, your intuition has this beautiful way of really guiding you and letting you know what's right for you and what's not. And then it becomes your personal journey.